New at 10, local healthcare officials stress it is safe to go to the emergency room during this pandemic. But some people hesitate before heading to the hospital because they fear the coronavirus. Now, Baptist Health is offering a new service to let patients get ER care remotely. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs explains this first of its kind program in San Antonio.
Especially during these times, there can be anxiety among those feeling sick and second guessing whether it's appropriate to visit the hospital.
Early in the pandemic, we realized that a lot of patients were no longer coming to the emergency department out of fear of COVID or getting infected.
So began Baptist Health's mission of finding some way to evaluate patients safely and remotely. Dr. John Tolley says the popularity of video conferencing programs like Zoom made coming up with a solution a bit more obvious.
We started looking at Tele-ED services.
People worried about their health can call Baptist Health and consult with the nurse. After collecting insurance information, the nurse then schedules a Tele-ER visit. That's when the physician attempts to diagnose the patient's condition and decides if further action is needed.
It provides a service to the patient where they have an opportunity to be seen and cared for without having to come into the emergency department. And we are identifying patients that really need to come into the emergency department to be evaluated and treated, who might have otherwise stayed at home and just suffered through their illness.
Immediate care from the comfort of home. Dr. Tolley assures the community help is there, be it over video call or in person.
They don't want to take away from the care of COVID patients. They're concerned about their neighbors and things that have COVID, and they don't want to take away from the resources, but we have the resources to care for both. And if they need emergency care, we're here to see them.
Zach joins us live from the medical center.
Zach, how many patients have taken advantage of this remote emergency room service?
I'm told so far 80 people have utilized this service for a variety of health reasons, and Dr. Tolley adds that he hopes other area hospitals consider adopting this program for their patients. Live at the medical center tonight, Zach Briggs, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.